Ready to bridge the gap between Polygon and Solana right from your Phantom wallet. First, make sure you have both Polygon MATIC in your Phantom wallet, which now supports multiple chains, and some Solana SOL for transaction fees if you don't have any SOL. Consider sending a small amount from another wallet or exchange. Open your Phantom wallet app. You'll see the wallet icon on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Now, locate the swap icon. It's usually in the middle of the bottom navigation bar. Tap on it to start a swap. Next, you'll arrive on the main swap screen. Select the Polygon network on the top drop-down menu. Select Polygon or MATIC as the token you want to swap in the bottom drop-down menu. Select Solana or SOL as the token you want to receive. Enter the amount of MATIC tokens you want to swap for SOL. The app will automatically calculate the estimated amount of SOL you'll receive. Phantom uses decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, to facilitate the swap. To do this, you must select Jupiter, an aggregator, to find the best available swap. Review all the swap details carefully, including the estimated SOL you'll get, the network fees, and the slippage tolerance. Slippage is the acceptable difference between the expected price and the actual price due to market fluctuations. If everything looks good, tap the swap or confirm button. You might be prompted to authorize the transaction with your wallet password or biometric authentication. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, you'll see your SOL balance updated in your Phantom wallet. The time for the transaction to complete can vary depending on network congestion. Finally, double-check your transaction history to make sure the swap was successful, and that's it. You've successfully swapped Polygon for Solana using your Phantom wallet.